కంగారు కాదు బాబాయ్, లోడ్ ఒరిగిపోతుంది.
So hello guys, now the time is 9 on the dot and we just passed by Andhra to Odisha border. Now we are in Odisha. As we can see, okay, so yeah, there was not much of a border, just a arch was there written welcome to Odisha. So now we are in Odisha now. So guys, that's the Odisha alphabet, how it is written. We are in highway now. Yeah, let's go. It has started to rain now. We are in Odisha. Exactly don't know the place. Chhatrapur. It is written over there. Yeah. So let's go. We are in roadside. The lorry driver wants some money, so his boss sent that money into my account, so I have to go to an ATM and withdraw it and give it to him. So let's see. So guys, that's the lorry I am in. I just came here on this side to buy some things. From here Kolkata is about 567 kilometers. We are in a place called Ramba, from about 2 kilometers from here. So look at the view, it's very nice. Here and all you can see ganja plantation over there behind. So on all these shops we can buy ganja for legally. So let's see. It's raining also. So guys, this is Ramba Ghat. We are currently passing through. It's not as seen in video. There are big mountains all over the place. We are on uphill right now. Very harder to push through now. Like this. Very slowly we are going due to the load in the back and inclination of the road. So keeping on going. Time is 12:42. We are here for having lunch. This is the shop.
पानी जाओ नहीं
guys, now we are passing through Katak river. Above that, it's a very long bridge over there. Over there you can see a train is passing through. Not clear, I guess. There's a train track over there. Here we can go. Water is in brown color. So guys, now the time is 5:40 around. But outside it looks like about 6:30, 7 o'clock. All the lights in the street have been turned on, and you can see some very beautiful mountain views on sides. And traffic is also heavy on some sides. Here and there it is much freer. So now we are going towards West Bengal side from Odisha, and this is outside view. Inside you can see it's still raining, so keep on watching. Car. So guys, from here Kharagpur is 203 km and Calcutta is 300 km. This lorry is going till Kharagpur. So now we are currently looking for a place to have our dinner. After that we are gonna keep on going or take a halt. As the mood suggests, we will continue to our journey. Yeah. Guys, we have stopped in a dhaba. This is the place where we can wash our hands. It's very clean water. Lorry people come here often, like afternoon, morning, for having a bath. They will allow them to bath here. They have a bucket in their lorries, so they come here and take bath. Now we are gonna sit there and have our dinner. This is the hotel we are in. Everything will get hot. Let's go. So, hello guys, now the time is 5:40 in the morning. The weather is mild here, it's not cold nor anything special. It's just like afternoon. Just like how it becomes dark in the evening faster, it becomes bright in the morning too faster. Yeah. So guys, we just passed Odisha border into West Bengal. Now we are in West Bengal now. We are going to a place called Kharagpur. From there I have to see what should I do. We will be going till there. Then let's see. So we are going into Vidyasagar Industrial Area.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
This is the entrance to Vidyasagar Industrial Area. towards inside this. We are gonna deliver the goods. So let's go. You can see the factories and industries inside the compound over here. We got a deliver over there, that side. So let's go. You can see inside here full of industries on both sides. We can see industries. We're gonna have to go straight there to deliver. Over there is our company, East company for delivering the goods. So let's go.
Exit the roundabout.
So guys, this is the company which we are gonna deliver the goods. It is chemical for making medicine inside the vehicle. So video is not allowed inside, so I am stopping now. It has started to rain now. So guys, we are inside the factory. This is the loading area. After this we are, don't know, let's see. You can see the factory from here. There you can see the machinery, everything. So guys, you can see the Indian factory over there. That's the entrance. Many other famous companies can be found here and in this area. So our unloading haven't finished yet. After that we'll be continuing the journey. So yeah, let's go. Here under you can see the bus. Yeah. So guys, we have got out from there. Now we are continuing the journey towards straight ahead. You can see on both sides many multinational companies, industries, etc, etc. And we are going. So now the time is about 6:48, but it looks outside like it's been about 8 o'clock or something. So yeah, going home. So guys, just got out from there. We are continuing the journey straight ahead. You can see on both sides many industries and other multinational companies over there. Over this side, everything is dark out there, so it cannot be seen now. Actually, now the time is about 6:50, and they showed me without permission you cannot enter these premises. And while I told them I was interested in some machineries, they showed me how it works, everything, but I wasn't allowed to take videos. Anyway, it was a nice journey. Till now it took about 6 hours for unloading. Now we are, and I had a nice sleep in about 4 days. I had a nice sleep now, and we are continuing straight ahead. Let's go. So hello guys, this is the next day. Today I'm going again solo. The old driver's key was stolen by someone, so the lorry is stuck there. So I got to go across the road and look for any vehicle going towards that side. So yeah, let's go. So guys, now we are back on the road. Due to this, lorries can't come here, this underground. They have to go by that way and take a turn here. So they will come and join from there. But since we are walking, we got a shortcut. So this is the view. Very nice it is. Look, there comes the lorries over there. So guys, those guys I came with, they are going towards this side. There's a place called Haldia. They are going towards that side. But I want to go this way. So we split up here, telling our goodbyes. Now I'm gonna walk towards that side. Let's go. You can see there's a public transport over there. People are sitting on top, hanging in Volvo. They're going their way. I too wanna go. Let's see if I can get such a vehicle where we can sit on top and go. So I'm still walking. Let's go. Yeah, man. All the buses with people on top are going towards that side. No bus is gonna come this side. Look, all the buses have people are sitting inside towards this side. But I wanna go this side, and there are no buses with people on top. So let's see if any bus is coming this way like that. We will stop and get inside. Yeah. So guys, this is Ganga. As we are walking, there is a train bridge over that side. Whew. No, this is also not having people on top. Let's keep on walking. This is the view of Ganga river from here. Now we are in a marketplace under bridge. Walking on a street like this. Go. Here we can see street shops. Here and we can walk. Barely has a place to walk. If two vehicles come from both sides, it will be a struck. But they adjust and go. Surprisingly. Here and we can see many pandals, they call it, made with the bamboo sticks. Inside the goddess will be there. What do you say? नहीं ऐसे जा रहे हैं. हाँ 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 ओ हाँ ठीक है. So this is one of the market here. Very crowded in the morning itself. Let's go. This is what called pandal. They make it out of bamboo stick, the outside structure. Inside goddess idol and everything will be there. I guess they will take it and put it in river after the festival, like after 9 days during the end of Dasara. I'm not sure about that. So let's go. We got to cross this train for getting onto the other side. Let's go. You can see people going already. Oh boy. Hey! Oh boy. Let's jump. No, let's not jump. He jump. So we can also jump, I guess. Woo! Yep, we can jump. Let's go. We'll continue to the next side of the market. Oh wait. Nicely we can go inside. Then you can see.